as a small business owner who depends or who is using Facebook and Instagram adverts to advertise your business and make sales, right? If you are not currently using the UGC, this is the time for you to start making use of it. You need to start reaching out to your customers right now and begin to ask them to give you feedback via videos. That is why you see some brands, top brands, when people buy from them, they always, as much as possible, try to get reviews from these people. Sometimes when you visit websites like Amazon, Jumia, Konga, different websites, you see people dropping reviews. You see business owners requesting for reviews. And you see people, business owners, also running adverts with reviews. All of these are different forms of user-generated content. And this UGC helps your business to attract more new customers and make sales faster. All of us know that recently Facebook ads has gone crazy. There's a lot of thing going on Facebook ads. It's now more difficult to make sales. It's even now more difficult to even target the right people. So the best way for you to begin to approach advert at the moment is to start using UGC, user generated content. And I'm going to share with you 5 simple and very important reasons why UGC is good. I'm going to give you why it is good and how you need to go about using it. Because take it or leave it, using UGC in your ad has this psychological effect on the people who are watching your videos or who are seeing your pictures, on the people who are seeing your advert, and it will make them want to buy that in which you are selling. Okay. Now, the first reason why you should start using user-generated content is because it makes your ad not look like an ad. Do you understand? You run advert on Facebook and the ad just looks organic. It doesn't look like an ad in any way. It's just so organic, so direct, so simple, and people love it. Why this user-generated content is important is because people love to buy from where they see that other people are buying from. People love to go to places where their friends are going to. Like if you see your friends having fun somewhere, let me use the beach as an instance. In Lagos, there's Landmark Beach, and now there's a new beach, the Good Beach, right? Once people go there, take videos, take pictures and post, their friends would also love to go to that place. Why? Because they saw other people like them going there and having fun. They also want to go there and have fun. So if you aggregate all those user-generated content and use it for adverts, you are going to attract people who would also love to enjoy the same experience that other people are enjoying. That is how important this user-generated content is. I tell you honestly, okay? But that's not all. That's not all. That's just one. Secondly, when you use user-generated content for your advert, it drives more engagement. People engages with your adverts the more. People engages with your advert faster. People engages with your advert either by criticism, right, or by acceptance. Whichever way it is, engagement is engagement. As far as people are engaging with it, Facebook is going to be showing your adverts to more people. They are going. That's the advantage of that, using that advantage plus in your ad, at the ad set level. When you are using this UGC and when your engagement rate is high, Facebook is going to show your adverts to more and more people. This would lead to the third point, which is your cost per result will be lower. Because if the engagement rate is high, it means that people are interested in the advert. It will therefore increase the relevance score of your adverts. And if the relevance score is high, the cost per result is going to be low. So you're going to be spending less money and getting more results. That is one of the great advantages of using user-generated content for your business. Okay? Another point 4, is that it helps to build trust faster. It helps to build trust faster. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Just like this video so that more people on YouTube get to see my video. If you're also new to my channel and you'd like to see more content on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, whatever it is, how to make money online, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, whatever it is, yeah? Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. Okay, so let's continue. The fourth one, right, is that using this user-generated content helps to build trust faster. It builds trust faster. I'm a businessman. I sell drinks, right? And I know the kind of people that come to buy drinks from us. And I know what happens when they make posts about where they bought the drinks from. Other people would also love to come and buy from us. Do you understand? When people are having parties and they're like, wow, where do you get these drinks from? And they tell them, that's all. So this user-generated content, it just works like word of mouth. But you need to be creative in using it. You need to be creative in using this user-generated content. And the fifth one is that you will make more sales. That's the truth. Because Facebook ad has become tougher and harder. People are not coming on Facebook or Instagram to look for adverts, to look for what to buy. But if they see what you sell, for instance, if you're selling fashion items, you don't have to sell fashion item as a product. You have to sell the feeling. You have to sell the outfit, the lifestyle. Okay, you have to sell the lifestyle. How will people look on your fashion items? How will people look when they wear your clothes? How will they look when they wear your cap, when they wear your shoes? Then give these shoes to your friends. This thing about UGC, you must not even get it from your customers, all right? These days, brands pay people to create UGC form of content for them, and then they can use it for adverts. You can, if you sell shoes, for instance, you have five friends. You can give each of them one pair of shoe, to just create some kind of video for you. They will give you your shoe back, of course. But they just need to give you some kind of feedback like, wow, awesome shoes. I love my shoes. See how I'm dripping. Right? Like, just like when people go for an event and their abada and their clothes is so swagged up, so lit, people would love to know who their fashion designer is, who their tailor is. This is user-generated content. Get this content from your customers. If you don't have customers, if you are new in business, get this content from your friends. If you're a tailor, pay your friends to wear your outfits and let them speak good about your business. Use that video to run adverts. You will attract more people who would want to look dapper, who want to look good and great on your own outfits. This is how it works. There's no magic in it. There is absolutely no magic in it whatsoever. Get people to use your products. I can give it back to you, no problem. But get them to use your product. Then get them to make videos showing that they are enjoying using your products or showing that they enjoy using your service. Then use this video to run adverts to attract more people by making them believe that other people like them are also using your products. Other people like them are also enjoying your service and they can also enjoy the same service or enjoy the same product. Easy like that. It makes advertising easier. It helps you to build trust faster. You build trust faster. It increases the engagement on your adverts, thereby increasing the relevance score and reducing the cost per result. If you are not using this user-generated content yet for your advert, this is the time for you to start making use of it. All right? This is the best time. Reach out to your customers. Ask them to give you reviews. They just put up their phone, speak about their experiences. If you sell jewelries, they will wear it, they will show it. If you're a tailor, if you're a fashion designer, let them wear your outfit, your match. If you sell shoes, clothes, whatever you sell, let your customers give you video review, video feedback. If they are going for Owambe, for party, they should wear your clothes. They should slay on it. They should give you videos of their slaying, so that you can use these videos to run adverts, so that other people would also love to slay in your outfit, so they will contact you to make good outfit for them. Other people would also like to have fresh, smooth skin, spotless skin. They will also contact you to sell the same products for them. Simple. Start making use of user-generated content in your advert, in your business, and you watch your sales grow to a higher number. That's an assurance. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer you. Okay, so leave your questions in the comment section below and I will attend to your questions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.